Let me show you how to create any roll model in Blender. Press Shift-A, go to Curve and select Curve Spirals and Archimedean. Adjust the values according to the video. Press Tab, go to Edit Mode, select the last vertex, press E and extrude the points. Right-click and select Convert to Mesh. Go to the Modifier tab, add the subdivision surface modifier, then apply the settings. Right-click again and convert the object to curve. Press Shift-A, create a plane. Press Tab, press Ctrl-R and increase the number of edges. Select the plane, go to the Modifier tab and add Array Modifier. Select the plane, add a Deform modifier and choose Curve. From the Curve object, select the created curve. In the Deform Axis section, change the direction to align the object along the curve. With an increased count in the Array modifier, the plane starts to grow along the curve. Use the Solidify modifier to increase the roll thickness. Now you have a perfectly shaped roll model ready for further adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.